Juvenile, file number 23222.
All right, we're here on our third review. We were supposed to have Dad with us today, but we were unable to confirm with the MDOC to ensure his presence here today. So what I can do is try to look for a different date in order to make some time for a review on his case. But I'm happy to move forward with Ms. Underhill's review, if that's satisfactory to everyone. May I have my appearances, please, before I hear any responses?
Lee Jameson Heiss, lawyer guardian ad litem.
Ms. Stasia Thomas, counsel for the department. Ms. Burgess.
Brenda Burgess, foster care worker for the department.
Michael McFarland representing mom.
Brittany Underhill, mom.
Mike Brooks, I represent Zane Rittenauer, who will not be with us today, I understand, because of a lack of coordination from the Michigan State prison system.
All right. And we'll try to find some time, I suppose, for his review to be in a little bit in the last couple of days. So that's going to create some interesting scheduling things for us moving forward. But I would be happy to look at trying to move this one if we wanted to in order to hear it all at the same time.
Let me confer to my client, Your Honor.
Actually, even Friday afternoon. Well, I'm sure the MDOC won't allow us to do it that quickly. You have to take a few weeks, I'm sure.
I guess we have Your Honor.
Sure.
Our hopes was that the divorce could also proceed, that would resolve the custody and possibly close this case. But because he's not present, I don't know whether the court was intending on doing that. If that's the case, we would not object to an adjournment. So that could be accomplished if that's what the agency intends for us to do.
Your client was present here around 1:45 when I called the divorce case and we adjourned it.
Oh, for the
Because he's not here.
for January 9th.
Right.
Yes. Okay. So we'll do.
Okay, I was not aware of that, Your Honor. Okay,
I'm sorry.
let me
If there's any
ask you first.
confusion, let me.
Oh, yeah.
Your Honor, I guess we wouldn't mind going ahead with our review today and then perhaps also coming back the 9th, as that might resolve it.
Yes, I was just gonna do the pretrial out to the next review, but maybe what we'll do then is schedule his review and the pretrial again. The next available time I have is November 18th on Monday afternoon at 1:30. We can see if we can get the MDOC around on that.
We have no objection with that. Is that with our review too that time?
If that's what you'd like to do, I know that means your client's gonna have to come back, but it sounds like she might have to come back either way.
She's okay, as the children are with her at her house in home jurisdiction, so we're okay with that.
What's your thoughts, Ms. Thomas?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I think I'm a little confused. Are you asked for my, so is it, we'll just adjourn the whole hearing out until November 18th?
That's our preference, if you're asking.
Okay, that's fine. I'm agreeable with that.
It's nice.
I am agreeable too. I have visited the children and all the need to be met in the home of a parent.
All right, very well then. So we'll adjourn the review and I'll move the pretrial date to also be consolidated with our review to November 18th. So what we'll do is then I'll set the divorce pretrial for 1:30 and the review for 2 o'clock.
1:30, Your Honor?
It's probably best if you did come a little early because they're going to be discussing the divorce. And so if you need to talk with your clients about what the divorce needs to look like for purposes of resolving the NA case, I know obviously you're not retained or serving in your capacity as attorney in the divorce case, but as it does affect the review, if you'd like to be part of that.
Any confusion, I do not represent Mr. Rittenauer in his divorce.
Yes, I understand.
I can be here at 1, Your Honor. What was the date again?
1:30, November 18th.
Thank you.
With review to commence at 2, or whenever we're done with the pretrial. Let's just set them both for 1:30. It's kind of wild in here this afternoon, Mrs. Thomas. Did you get all that?
Yes.
All right. See you all back at 1:30 on November 18th.